Hi everyone, I hope you have enjoyed last month's video on wildcats of Sabah, presented by Clarice. Today, we are going to learn about a special aquatic carnivore found in Sabah, the otters. I am Leonawai, your host for today. Let's learn more about otters in Sabah. There are 13 otter species distributed around the world, and only 4 of these species can be found in Sabah, which are smooth-coated otter, or scientifically known as Lutrogale perspicillata, Eurasian otter, or Lutra lutra, Asian small-clawed otter, or Aeonyx cinereus, and hairy-nosed otter, or Lutra sumatrana. These 4 otter species look similar, but they can be differentiated based on the body size, shape, and fur color. The smooth-coated otter is the biggest among the 4 otter species. The fur is smooth and velvety, and it can be seen traveling in groups of up to 20 individuals. The Eurasian otter is smaller in size compared to the smooth-coated otter and has a flatter head. It has a unique W-shaped white mustache on its face. This species is very rare in Sabah, however, it is widely distributed in Europe. The Asian small-clawed otter is the smallest otter species in the world. Its fur is slightly rougher and the head and tail are rounder. The hairy-nosed otter has a darker fur color compared to the other otter species. It has a unique white patch on the mouth area and under the neck. This otter is very rare and can only be found in Southeast Asia. Despite the differences, these 4 otter species share some common behaviors. First, they all build their dens, called holes, among tree roots by the riverbank, under fallen logs, cavity among rocks, or main-built structures. Otters build their home in a strategic location that provide them with plenty of food and water sources, as well as protection from predators. Next, all otters use defecating as an important way to communicating among themselves, and this is also done to mark their territories. Fresh otter feces, or in otter terms, sprain, has a very strong fishy smell due to the diet consisting mainly of fish, crustaceans, frogs, small mammals, and sometimes insects. Otters have been observed to display cooperative group hunting behavior, which saves them time and energy to catch their food more effectively. Otters are excellent swimmers, which is helped by unique web feet to help them to catch their prey. This is how their footprint tracks looks like on mud. You can really see the webbing clearly. The most interesting behavior of otters is that they enjoy grooming, spending up to 30% of their daily activity on this. Unlike other marine mammals, otters depend entirely on their fur to keep them warm. They then dry their fur by basking under the sun and rolling on sand. Otters play a very important role in the ecosystem. As one of the top predators in the aquatic ecosystem, they help to control prey populations and act as a natural biological controls for invasive species. Otters are also vulnerable to habitat changes, which makes them a good bioindicators of a healthy ecosystem. Additionally, through their feces, they transport essential nutrients from the aquatic to terrestrial environment. Despite their ecological importance, otters face significant threats that could lead to their population decline. One of the major threats is illegal hunting for pet trade. Otters, especially the Asian small-clawed otters, are in high demand for illegal pet trade due to the cute appearance. The hunters will take the cub by killing its parent and keep it confined in a cage, which is nowhere near their natural habitat. The next threat is water pollution. Water pollution has been reported to negatively affect many wildlife, including otters. Contaminants such as plastic, pesticide, and oil spills in the water ecosystem will harm the otters. For example, in this picture, otters are seen eating the fish with plastic attached to it, which is harmful to their digestive system. Another threat comes in the form of human-otter conflict. Habitat destruction and conversion of natural freshwater to fish farms force the otters to look for food in human-modified areas. Otters are often considered as pests and are seen as the main conflict species by fishermen and fish farmers. Fisheries around the world have reported loss of income because of otters, and some have taken drastic measures by killing them. So, after learning about otters, how can we help to conserve the otters? Firstly, we need to know and understand our otter species in Malaysia and their habitats. Learn as much as we can about them. We can also practice the 3R concept: reduce, reuse, and recycle to help preserve the environment. You can also report any otter trade or videos found online that promote otters as pets. Last but not least, report to the authorities if you know anyone who is keeping otter as a pet. Tell your friends and family that otters are not pets and cannot be domesticated, as they belong in the wild. We hope that you have enjoyed learning about otters in Sabah today. Do share this information with your friends and family so they can learn about otters too. This is all from us for now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share this video, and subscribe to our channel.